channel. Here I'm going to show you some pressure footer parts here. These are the sewing machine parts. So before going to start about this video, I'm requesting the people who are seeing first time my channel, please do subscribe and click on bell button for the future notifications on new mail. So guys, let's quickly start it. So friends, I'm just going to unbox this. This is the multifunctional kit of 32 pressure footer. It's a multifunctional kit, again I'm telling you. These kits are basically used for these automated missions which we have like Usha Janumi and Brother and Singer. Like this we have automated missions. So for them these kind of kits are very useful because with the mission we will get only 5 footers. Apart from this we need to buy it extra from outside. So I have brought it from the online. I'll give you that link on my description box. If anybody wants the same thing, they can buy it from over there. Otherwise, you can search it. This is a multifunctional kit 32. You will get lot of companies and all, but I have found and I have read lot of reviews, and some of my friends have brought it and I have seen those pressure footers. So I thought this will be the good one. So here I am going to show you this pressure footers. I am just going to open this unboxing. See here, good one, good packing they have given. Okay, and wow, super. See here, these are all 32 pressure footers. Nicely they have organized in this. So nice. See here, these are very nice and very good, very nice footers they have given. And see, these are the materials of steel, completely full steel. Some they have given plastic also, like this. It's a fiber. Plastic. Very strong. And some are the plastic with transparent. Oh, superb. See here? They have given the mixer also. Yeah. This is the plastic completely, and the steel rod they have given for fitting the footer. Some are mixed with the materials. Very nice. This footer is used for frills making. Easily we can make frills. Wow, wow. So nice, so nice. So I'm very eager to use this footers. Very nice. Wow, wow. So, wow. This is the embroidery one. So, using of my machine, I can make machine embroidery also. I'll show you that designs also. I have already given one design, but still I'll show you. Very nice. So guys, these are the 32 designs they have given. And here is the part. All the names of the footers they have given. See here, on the top of the box they have given this. Zigzag footers, bead footers, wow, wow. Darning footer. For the dawning, they have given two models. So guys, this is the 32 model of this multifunctional kit. I'm very eager to use this. I'm just here giving you this footers information. If anybody want, they can buy it. And I'll give you, it's a very quality one. So I'll give you the same branded information on my description box along with the link. If anybody want, they can buy it from over there. Okay, so we will see one by one each and everything on the upcoming videos. Okay, thank you so much guys. Hope you also liked it. Thank you so much guys. We'll meet in the next video. Before going to stop my video, I request the people who are seeing the first time my channel, please do subscribe and click on bell button for future notifications and all. Okay, I'll show you that embroidery works also very soon. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye.